Preplanning is pretty much easy to do. The first thing that you actually need is, well, a map. I made this little map that is made to showcase preplanning. For now, there is just a map. I have a little bank. Right. I have a little bank, some flowers, teller zone, and another door. And a roof area. This is a pretty complicated area to work around with preplanning, but I'm gonna teach you how to make preplanning. So first of all, you need to find the way your map, the forward direction of your map. This is pretty much easy. You need to spawn any object and look where this green arrow goes. If it goes forward. Then see, this is how a map is positioned. This is the back of a map, this is forward of the map, this is right, left, up and down. But do not rotate your object. If you spawn an object and rotate it, the green arrow gonna be off. So only with 0 degrees of rotations on any angle. So now you know the forward direction of your map. You need to make a bunch of screenshots like this. Press insert to hide the little menu thing on the left, and do a bunch of screenshots. It is needed to create an image of your map. Preplanning requires images to work. I'm gonna draw them in Paint just to be quick, but you can do whatever you want. You can go in Photoshop, you can try overkill style, but I will use Paint. So for the first floor, I'm gonna be making an image from the head. The screenshot is actually needed, but you can draw from it because it's not 3D. Wait, it's not 2D. You need 2D image, but it's not 2D, it's 3D of course. So I have to draw from my head, and first, don't use black. Change it to gray, but never ever use black, because it thinks as black as a transparent. So it will change it to, well, nothing. I'm drawing the outer walls now. The image need to fit the exact size of the building. So it's gonna be like this. It will go here, then here, then it will go here, then turn here and come back over here. So it will be a big square. I'll not try to draw accurately now. You can do it yourself if you're doing an actual map preplanning. But you need to make it pretty much the same, because if you're not gonna make it the same, then the little tiles that you buy on, the points that you buy something on, they will be off, and they will be in the walls or somewhere else. So now I made outer walls. I will just make this, and this. So this is pretty much the first floor. You have seen it already, I showed you. But I will also free the doors, so you can actually know where the doors are. Like this. So here's the plan, and also this thing. Like this. It's not accurate. I would say that this space is too big, but I don't quite care, because I'm not making a 100% accurate space. I'm just making it for the tutorial. You can do it again yourself. Now I will save it as I'll save it on the folder so it keeps organized. First floor PNG. This is the first floor. Now I will make the roof. The roof is the same, but there's just more walls. Well, less walls, I would say. There's just no walls. And there is this structure you have seen. Let me show you again. This structure. I have to draw it. I cannot leave it. Because, again, it will be inaccurate. You can skip this part of drawing. I'll probably leave the time code somewhere on the screen before. But okay, it goes like this. Turns like this. Another turn. More turns. And it goes back. So this is the roof, and I suggest painting unenterable zones as walls, because it just makes everything better. Roof. And then you need to make an outside. This is where I get stuck last time. This is all the outside. So it is all of this. It's all this square around it. It's all outside. So you need to basically draw everything, including the bank that is now quite small. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, I'll delete that later. Okay, I'm gonna alt tab a little because I don't remember this map quite good. I made it in like 10 minutes. I don't quite know it myself. Like this. Then like this. And it goes like this. This is an outside done. But I will draw inside as inaccessible, because it's an outside how do they name it, build, and I'm gonna enlarge this bank and move it a little, because it's actually in different spot. It's like this. This is how I would say it is. Okay, and this is image. I'm gonna save it, and this is images done outside. Again, you can do them as you want. Photoshop can help you, anything can help you. So now we will move on converting them. To convert images, I use this site. I will leave in the description. I'll leave it in the description. Select the files. Go to whenever you save them. Pick all of. You need to convert PNG to DDS. This is the format that PayDay 2 uses. Convert now and download all three of them. Click this thing and it will download it for you. Convert and convert. Sorry for this. And now you need to go to your PayDay 2 folder, find your map. It's in maps. Find it in, as you named it, here it is, assets, create folder, name it again as you want. I name it textures, and dump all of those images in it. But I suggest renaming them because they are unresponsible. I don't know which one is which, so I will do. This is AV805. It is roof. And it's an outside. It's outside. Here it is, outside. And the last one, AE5D, is first floor. But do not leave spaces. Use underscores. First underscored floor. Spaces can cause a lot of problems, so just don't do it. Then go to, again, your map, but now levels, the map that you want your pre-planning to. Open add XML with anything you want. I will use add XML. Wait, I will use Notepad++, and copy this thing. It will be in the description. And change path to whatever your path is. So textures and name. Outside. First floor. And roof. The order does not matter. You can include them in any order you want, but you need to do one more step. In textures, you need to rename first floor.dds to first floor.texture, and do everything. Just change DDS to texture, just using rename. Texture. That's it. Now you included in your map those three textures. You can go into the PayDay, restart your map, and see that it should have it in assets. Oh wait, no, it wouldn't, because of one reason. Because it's not units. It's a texture. Okay, I included a van and do not look at this. Oh wait, it's the. Sorry for this. It's deleted those three textures. I'll copy them again. outside, first floor, and roof. So here it is again. Sorry, I get pinged in Discord. Then this is images done. Now you made all of the images. You have them in your map. They will work if you try. Okay, I didn't show you what they did. I added those things in texture in add again. I just forgot to change it back to monitor and not to PayDay. This thing got included because it's okay. What add.xml does, it's an export. It loads your models from export. So this is from export. It's not in PayDay 2, it's from you. So now all the images are done, everything is done. Now we need to move on to hooks. The main and probably the worst part. Okay, now when we included textures to our map, we need to create pre-planning tweak data loa. This is where we'll go, where pre-planning thing will go. So I'm gonna copy this one, but I'll delete everything. So it's just a blank thing. For now, don't look here. This literally does not matter. So first we need to change all of those to our map name. So map name is now Preplanning Tutorial. Preplanning Tutorial. Preplanning Tutorial. Preplanning Tutorial. Then we need corners. Let me show you. So when we did map, we have an outside map, a roof, and the first floor map. So how it works is it scans every, I don't know, unit, how I understand it, every one move of this thing. It scans and searches for preplanning elements and draws them on map, on our texture. So we need corners for it to scan through. So for the first floor it's gonna scan from here to here. For the roof it's going to be the same. But you'll say, how are we gonna differentiate differentiate, okay, I will not say. How we will understand which one is from first and from second floor. We can do this, but I'll show it later. So first we need take those corners, and for outside we need this coordinate to this one, and also the gizmo, those three arrows, is the place from which those coordinates are gotten. So those two for outside and those two for roof and first floor. Let's do this. So for here is three things. Those will be three tiles. First, texture. First, floor. Those will have the names or the path to the texture that we will use for our preplanning. The ones that we did. First floor, roof and outside. Now, rotation is pretty much understandable. Rotation. Map size is understandable. Map X and map Y is the place where a map will go on a pre-planning screen. So on pre-planning screen there will be 3 images and you have to position them somehow. So what I did is first is 0 0, then it's 0 minus 1.2 and 1.2 minus 1.2. It just makes 1.2 just makes a nice gap. So then those are the corners. X1, Y1, X2 and Y2 are the corners. Custom points is IDK. I don't know what this even is. So I'm gonna start copying. For the first floor I showed you which points I want. X and Y. So first I copy, you didn't see it, but I copy the XY from the first thing that I shown you, this one, the X and Y. Z literally does not matter. So now I will copy from this one. To the same first floor. Those numbers will be different for you. Those are coordinates, so your map can be different. And coordinates will be different. I will copy this to roof because I told you why. It's the same. And for the outside I will copy it again from the ones that I showed you before. One on one corner and another one at another corner. And here we go. So those are all the points. And also I'll delete this quickly because it was supposed to be here. So now what another thing you need to change is mission briefing texture. This is the texture that will appear, how can I tell you? It will appear before you click pre-planning. I'll show you it in a minute. So now I'll just use outside because it's a cool texture. It's just everything on the map, so I'll use it. Now we need to include this thing in our map. So go to main XML. It is right here, main XML. Open it and add this little thing. I already have it here. It's after add and assets. It goes right here. And now go to your map and restart it. And pre-planning screen should appear, but it should have. Why isn't it here? Okay, let me check it quickly. Oh, I forgot to change. I forgot that it's not pre-planning tutorial, it's pre-planning underscore tutorial. Like this. Okay, now I restart it again. Do not use spaces, use underscores. Just here, pre-planning. This is the texture that is shown, as I said to you, this mission briefing texture. This is where it shows, here, right here. Now, when we click it, here are 3 maps. They are here, but they have no points yet, because we have no. I know they look really bad, but oh, gray is still transparent. So everything blackish is transparent. It will turn into this grid-like thing. So now we have maps. We need to add pre-planning elements. So hooking is pretty much done. This XML mess is for now is done. Okay. So now we need to add preplanning elements. Preplanning. Okay, we need to turn back for XML. You need to check in which order you made those tiles. So first is floor, first floor, then it's roof, then it's outside. Okay, so first is first floor. See this location group? It will. Okay, imagine we have it's here, right here. It'll be in the zone of first floor because from here to here it goes like this, and here it is. It finds this one, this preplanning element. But if I change location group from A, the A, as we seen, A is first floor. It's always A, B, C, and it can go up to F. As I remember, it can go up to F. Yes, so max is 6 tiles, 6 of those things. So try not to make too much of them. So this is A, B, and C. So this is how you want it. If you want it to appear on the first floor, then it will be A. If you want for it to appear on outside, change it to C. Now it will appear on the one that is on outside. Let me show you. Select allow types. Make it, for example, ammo bag, and make the same one in nearly the same place but as A, and make it medic bag, health bag. I forgot what it's named is. So now if I save and start again, you will see that one will show. Look again, the one on the outside will be ammo bag, and the one here on the first floor will be health bag. See, ammo bag is here, health bag is okay. I messed something up. Didn't I? This one is here. That means that something is up. Something bad happened. I don't know what. Okay, how does that work then? Again, the prep planning is really complicated and even broken in some parts. It can really be broken in some way. So I'll check corners again. So I'll compare the corner here, the coordinates of it. It's okay. It's okay. And this one. It's okay. And this one is. It's okay. So if you don't know, what I'm doing now is I'm debugging. As you've seen, they should have appeared. The one on C should have appeared on the full outside map nearly here, and the one at A should have appeared on first floor map here. So the health bag should have appeared here on this map, like somewhere around here, and ammo bag should have appeared on the first floor one right around here. Again, it's kinda messy, and I don't know how it works myself. I just I mean, I know how it works, but I don't know fully how it works, because it mostly just appears to be broken, and I don't know why. Okay, again, here's two ammo bags. One is here and one is here, while it should be here. Okay, one is on the top of the mountain, and the top of the mountain is, I know, A. And the other one is on C. And medic bag is B. Okay. So it actually, so B is, okay, it's swapped. So C and health bag is on, oh wait, no it isn't. It's actually, okay, just something here is bad. Let's try swapping those corners, because maybe it wants to process from negative to positive, but I'll just go here, do this for the first floor, copy it for the roof, and do this thing for okay. Here we go. I'll try. You really do have to get, see, it works now. It positioned good. The one that was on roof is on roof. The one that is on outside is outside, and the one that is the medic bag that is on the first floor, it is on the first floor, right? So the medic bag is on the first floor. Okay, let me delete this one and save and restart. So it wants to process from negative to positive. I had to swap the corners for it to work. Remember it. It has to be from. Okay, now, yeah, medic bag is on first floor and the ammo bag is on the outside. So now, when you actually positioned everything, you can start doing whatever you want. For example, let me add on C, actually still ammo bag here. Just spam a little bit of ammo bags, and on A I will add on the insides of this bank, I'll add one on the A health bag, which is actually a medic bag. I'll add 3 of those. So how does preplanning executes itself? When this thing, when it bought, it will execute itself on startup, but for deployables like body bag, medic bag, ammo bag, and last one, throwable bag, I don't know how it's named, throwable case, it will spawn right on this element, right on top of it, so you don't need to do anything. You just pop it in, select the one deployment that you want, and it will spawn itself. And I'll add one medic bag on roof, one ammo bag on roof, and one throwable bag. Or how is it named? Case. Okay, I'll just add body bag, one body bag, just to showcase. And don't forget to change it to whatever whatever group you want it to be, so on which tile you want it to be. This will be used for later. So now if we restart, you will see that those thing will appear, and if I buy it by planning, so here's all the medic bags that I placed on the inside, and the one on top of the roof. Here's the body bag that I placed. Here's the ammo bags that I placed. And if I buy, for example, ammo here, body bag, and a little bit of medic bags, and for example one more ammo bag here, and start the game, they all will appear in the places that I popped them. Here's my body bag, here's my ammo bags. Okay, I need to move them a little bit up because now they spawn in the ground, but you can use them. You can use all of them. I'm full of ammo, so I can heal. I can use them as I want. They work as well as deployments. This is okay, but you may ask, what about other stuff like custom escapes? How do I make escapes? Or entrance plans? So I have those two. Those are escape plans. Van or helicopter. I made them before recording and pre-planning. It's a roof, so B, and a helicopter escape. There is one escape. There is one, but I want to make a custom one. So again, I'll stop recording there and start a new one. Or, I mean, you can leave this video if you don't want to know how to make custom pre-planning, but I don't know. Okay, time for custom stuff. So remember when I left this is the custom stuff. So this is name. So this is self type dot, say you need self types dot, and then the name of your whatever thing. So for now it's one escape. Name ID, menu one escape name. It's the name of your, well, pre-planning. Description, just description. Plan and category, escape plans. It can be data hacking, it can be hired help. It will just show in the different tab. Post event, I don't know what it is. I just use this and it works. Prior, again, no clue. I don't know. Icon. Icon is, I will open this saved. This one. This is the icons. I will probably somehow include it in the description because it's really a useful one. So how it works is you first count the row, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the burning stuff, and then you count down 1, 2, 3, it's a keycard. So it will be 53 is the keycard. For me it's 23, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, it's the running man. So total is how much of those things you can buy. Like, you have a budget of those things. I mean, you have a budget, not money, but I forgot how they are remembered. So if it costs like 1 and you can only buy 2, even if you have a budget, you still can't buy more than 2. It's the max one. Cost is how much dollars, money will it cost, and budget cost, I remember, favors. It is how much favors it will cost. For now it's 0. 0 is often used for default escapes. So this is a normal escape. So I will copy it and make a heli escape. It will cost like 5 favors and 10k. And I'll change the icon to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 73. 73. And budget cost is 5. So it will cost 5 favors for you. Okay, 6. 6 favors for you to call the helicopter. But now if you start, you will have no escape plan. So we need to take van escape, go down here to the default plans, write the name of the tab. It was category escape plan, escape plan equals quotes van escape. It is like this. Yeah, it is like this. And now if we hop back on PayDay 2 and restart, heli. Here's a heli escape, the one that we made. Connected to unit sequence. Again, it will execute itself when byte. I'll make it so helicopter will just fly in as soon as you can do whatever you want with it. And then van escape. Van escape. And hook it to I will hook it to this one, so it will appear and open the back doors. Okay. So now if I start, I'll have another tab. Escape plans. I'll press F10. Here, escape plans. It will be a vote. So the first one is fully free. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to change the group of the pre-planning to C and outside. It was still showing on the roof. Sorry. So now it will show on the outside. Pre-planning, escape plan, here. Van is on the outside, and the heli, it still shows van escape. Why? Oh, I didn't change the name. I need to change the name of the thing to heli escape. And here you go. We start again. Sorry, I forgot to show you the PayDay screen. I really have this problem not changing the OBS thing. I did this pre-planning B heli escape, the one that we made. There is only one there. Pre-planning C van escape. Pre-planning here. Van escape free. Heli escape, as we said, 10,000 cost and 6 favors. Here it is, 6 favors, and if we start with the one escape, the van will appear. Oh, I know why it isn't happening. Because for now, van being disabled when a player spawns, but pre-planning gets executed before player spawn. So I first enable it and then quickly disable it. What I'm gonna do is I'll hide it by myself. State is hidden. And now, if I start with the van escape, it will spawn with open doors. And if I select a helicopter escape, it will here van escape, a spawn, and van spawns with open doors, and you can do whatever you want with it. But heli does not fly in. If I start with helicopter escape, again, I made the helicopter before recording this one I made everything here before recording. So Preplanning Heli Escape, it is a voting system, as you know PayDay 2 maps do. So I have 4 favors left and the cost for me is 10,000, so it actually working. And now if I spawn, van isn't there, it's gone, and helicopter is flying in. And I can't choose both of those. If I choose one, the other one deselects. So here is my transport and everything is good. It was my Discord, sorry. So that's pretty much all the prep-planning stuff done. There is nothing more to showcase. It's just you can make more things here, you can make more custom things, you can make custom everything. You can add more tiles, you can do whatever you want, you can change and also you can change total budget of favors, how much favors you have down here to 20, 30, like I'll change to 50, and in the PayDay 2 it will be, wait, I need to restart it. It should be 50. Here we go, 50. So I can buy heli, and the assets in game already have this cap on 2. Look, I can't buy more even I have 38 more favors, but I still can't buy it. So now I can buy all of this stuff, and I have helicopter escape and all of those deployments I wanted. So prep-planning is really cool. Work with it, make your maps more replayable. Prep-planning really helps with it. Just add it. It's not that long. It took like what, 30 minutes for me to cover all of this. And it was a tutorial. So if I was making it actually, then it would have took less. And it can make a lot of cool stuff. It can really make your map better. So thanks for watching and bye.